One
One
spring
spring
day.
day.
Daisy,
Daisy.
duck,
Duck.
rang,
Ring.
Minnie,
Minnie.
mouses,
Moses.
doorbell.
The bell.
Hi, Minnie,
Hi, Minnie.
Daisy said.
Daisy said,
I brought you
I brought you
some
some
marigolds
marigolds
from my garden.
from my garden.
Daisy,
Daisy,
you are the best,
you are the best.
said Minnie.
Send Minnie.
They will look
They look
perfect.
perfect.
No, John, you're reading it wrong. Perfect.
Perfect.
No. Okay, let's divide it. Perfect.
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 Yes. Now you read it together. Perfect. Look at me. Look at Daddy. Perfect.
Perfect.
No, it's wrong, John.
Well, look. Perfect.
No, you divide it. Okay.
Perfect.
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 Perfect. Yeah, that's great. Come on, sit down again. Okay. And definitely. Next is say definitely.
Definitely.
No, it's wrong. Okay, let's break it.
Daffy.
Knit.
Nate.
Lee.
Dilly.
Definitely.
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 No. Okay, let's break it. Daffy.
Daffy.
Knit.
Nate.
Lee.
Lee.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah. Great. Okay. Daisy agreed.
But don't mention that with Baba.
Yeah, okay. You say it. Definitely.
Mr. Chan.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yes.
Is
And
it,
Daisy agreed.
Is the mouse here? Is it? Yeah.
Okay, you read after me then. Daffodils are my favorite flowers.
This is not bad, but isn't there? Is this mouse here? Is this sister there? Is this me?
You read after me. You can't read it. You are a small girl. You can't read it without daddy's help.
Hey, look. Sister, it's mouse here. This is sister. See, Baba.
No, that's wrong. Okay, you sorry. You try again.
This is dirty. This is some mouse here.
Yes, that's great. Now it's right. Okay, turn the page. This, John, we call it turning the page. See, turn the page over. Okay, again, turn the page over.
Turn page.
Now, your turn. No, your turn. I will ask you, and you do it. Okay, Michelle, John, please turn the page. Michelle, please turn the page. Turn the page. Hey, no! Oh my God! You don't touch my hair, John. Turn the page like this. Okay, now what we see here, daffodils. No, daffodils.
Oh.
And who is this duck thing? Who is this duck?
Oh, duck and the shoes.
Yes, duck has shoes. Oh my God, duck has worn pink shoes.
Oh, I had purple shoes.
Yes.
Oh, and that pink one pony.
Oh, pink pony, yes.
Oh,
What is she doing? What is the duck doing? Yes, I think she's plucking the flowers.
No, it's putting the leaves.
It's plucking the leaves?
Yeah.
No, why would she pluck the leaves? Huh? I think she's plucking the flowers.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, look, it's the pony the purple.
Yes, the purple pony and the pink pony.
Oh, it's the purple pony.
Mm-hmm.
And the blue pony.
Okay.
Oh. This one purple dress.
What are these flowers, John? What are these flowers?
Red, yellow.
No. What are the? What's the name? It's a daffodil. You say it, John. You say it. You see the word daffodil.
Daffodil.
No, daffo.
Mom, let's try it. That's yellow colors.
The color is yellow, but what I want you to tell me the name of the flower. I want.
Come on.
Okay.
The yellow.
Yellow flower, right?
Red flower.
Red flower, okay.
Purple flower.
Perfect. Great. Turn the page. You turn the page on.
Turn the page.
Yeah, turn the page
This
over.
one.
Yes. Like this.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, now what we see here. Now, okay. So this is the duck and this is the Mickey Mouse, I think. Is this Mickey Mouse, John? No? Then who is she? Who is she?
Oh, it's just a cat.
Yeah, that's a cat. And what is the color of the cat?
Yeah.
What does the cat do? You tell me, what does the cat do? How does the cat meows? Meow, meow. You do it.
Yeah. Meow. Meow.
Are you the cat?
Yeah.
Are you cat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mama.
Mhm.